What's up guys, it's John. So today I saw a video on Twitter of this guy jumping from a really high place, and he uses this strategy to not take damage. He's not using tires, he's not using pads, he's just using mats. And so I wanted to share it with you guys in case you haven't seen it. It's a pretty useful idea in my opinion, and here it is. I did record this live with my voice, but I found out my mic volume's on 50% for some reason. So I turned it up and then I'm just recording over it again. So enjoy my 3 failures in fast motion. I'm probably not even going to include them. But if I do, enjoy them. And I hope this tip helps you guys. And I'll see you guys next time. And then he pressed G. Alright, so I'm not actually leaving. So I messed up in that clip pretty bad. I didn't do the whole point of using the window walls. I wasn't up against the windows hitting them. So in the last clip I fixed it. I'm gonna show one more fail and then I will show the final product. Also guys, if you're thinking this is too risky, think about it this way. If you're in squads, worst case scenario, the person who does it first gets down and everyone else just falls along the walls. So it's not that risky in squads, and yeah. Alright, so this is the final clip where I succeed. As you can see, I'm going to stay up against the windows and I'm going to keep bouncing off, and it slows me down significantly, and I'm actually going to take 0 damage from this one. In the video I watched, it wasn't even perfect, but I managed to get a perfect landing, so that's pretty cool. So yeah, good luck trying this. Thanks for watching. I hope it helped, and I'll see you guys next time.